Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is. This is still M World Entertainment, and I'm out here in Punta Cana, and I'm at the Royalton Punta Cana all-exclusive resort, and it's also connected to the Royalton Splash Punta Cana with the water park, and I'm staying more over in that area, even though this area right here be jamming. But usually they have a shuttle to come pick you up, and drive you around and bring you back. But I'm gonna take a stroll. It's warm out here right now, and yeah, I can wait on the shuttle, but I'm gonna take this walk. It's not gonna hurt. It's a lot of people take this walk. Now, we still in a resort area. It's not like I'm on the outskirts or, out in the streets. But we is out here in the woods. I don't know, the woods, jungles. So now anything can be up in these bushes now. Don't get me wrong. But I think it's fairly safe. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful and safe. I think it's water over that side too. There's water back this way. Yeah, guys, I'm out here having a lot of fun. To be honest with you, the resort have pretty much everything you need. You got the beach. You can do beach activity, or you can get an excursion from one of the resorts, or you can just chill in the resorts. There's many things, plethora of things going on. So yeah, it's my first night, so we're gonna see what's to it. And I'm gonna bring you guys along this whole journey, and we're gonna see what's up together. You know how we do it. A little music to keep you company. Sound like they partying on that side somewhere. See. And now the shuttle is coming back, but I didn't already really made it back to my room. But I'm gonna keep walking down some and see what they got going on over there on this end. Back. Yeah, water though, you're gonna probably watch out for mosquitoes. Here's some music playing. See, I'm staying over in here. This is my building. Water park. You are here. This is the Royalton Splash Punta Cana. The hell. See, I think a lot of stuff over here for like majority of the younger generation. They got the social club, the kids club. They got kid pools and wave pools and stuff like that. Then on this side, the Royalton Punta Cana Resort. Then they got the Hideaway, Royalton Punta Cana back the other way too. So man, they got a lot of stuff going on here. Let's see. Yeah, that walk was short. It wasn't even 5 minutes to get me back to my room. You know, they put on shows over this way too. When I left, they was having a pirate dance. So let's see what's going on. Because I hear the music, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But yeah, this area is mostly where the children are. The young crowd, I mean. Yeah, this cleared out. Everybody was, all the seats was filled in over this way. They were doing a lot of dancing. So, might clear it up, or still look like some people might be still out here. Hope I don't get copyright. If not, I'm gonna have to edit this video. It's okay. They got the bus stops, shuttle stops on there. Shuttle. Okay. It's everything. Yeah, like, that's what. Yeah, crowded at first, kind of easing up. Bar over here. I'm just looking around, family. You probably can get snacks and Beans Cafeteria. Probably can get coffee and something to drink. Bites, like snacks. Teens Club. Yeah. Let me go like. pool area. All right, guys, I'm gonna end my video right here. And I'm gonna catch you later, because I might go to the club. They start at 11 for adults. Yeah, I might check it out. So until then, peace.